My friends, I'm about to tell you how a strange and marvelous legend was born a very long time ago. I don't know if, after reading or hearing this story, you will believe it or not, but it doesn't matter. Listen to the legend of Alzabane, a bird from Earth who became the bird of the moon. Once upon a time, a very long time ago, unknown to man, the earth was but a bluish, misty sphere made up of air and streaked with colors. At the beginning of time, our planet was nothing like the world we know today. It was merely a gassy bubble, without a rocky core, without oceans, and without gravity. Everything floated evenly from the center up to the highest altitudes. In this mist of time, the sun never set. There was neither day nor night, because the rays of the sun penetrated all levels of the atmosphere equally. Only one kind of animal lived in this world: birds. But there was multitudes of them, millions and millions, of all species and of the most incredible kinds. The reason for this was that the sky was an immense paradise where they fed in abundance on floating plankton, flying insects, clouds of pollen, and vapor. These birds lived in colonies, and each species flew at a very specific altitude. This was the law of nature at that early time. The lower level of the atmosphere was home to the tiniest birds, hardly bigger than dragonflies. Above them were the strange translucent bubble birds that floated where the wind carried them. Even higher were the curious starbirds that flew around in circles like spinning tops. The birds never stopped flying because they could not breathe unless they were in flight. So they ate flying and even slept flying. This universe of peace and light lasted millions of years until one day a small bird came into the world. Nothing distinguished him from his fellow creatures. However, his destiny turned out to be so extraordinary that his story has come down to us through the centuries. Legend gave him the name of Alzabane.